Welcome to English Audio Lab. My name is Trevor.
And I'm Alicia. We're so glad you're here to learn with us today.
Today, we have a very calm and thoughtful topic, English for evening reflections.
Evening reflections? That sounds nice. What does it mean, Trevor?
It's the simple practice of looking back on your day before you go to sleep.
I see.
It helps you notice the good things, learn from challenges, and end the day with a calm mind.
That sounds like a wonderful way to practice English, too. It's personal and meaningful.
Exactly. So find a comfortable place, relax, and let's begin.
So, Trevor, do you do this? Do you reflect on your day in the evening?
I try to. It's not always easy when I'm tired, but even a few minutes can make a difference.
Right.
For example, yesterday was a very busy day for me. I had many meetings and a long to-do list.
Sounds stressful.
It was a little stressful, but in the evening, I took a moment to think. I realized that even though it was busy, I accomplished a lot.
Oh, that's a great way to see it.
Yes, I felt proud of myself for finishing a big task. And I also thought about a nice conversation I had with a colleague. It was a small moment, but it made me smile.
That makes sense. So, it's not just about the big things, but the small, happy moments, too.
Precisely. It helps you see your day in a more positive way. Let's learn some useful phrases for this. The first one is to look back on the day.
Look back on the day.
It means to think about what happened during the day. For example, in the evening, I like to look back on my day.
I see. It's like replaying the day in your mind.
Exactly. Let's practice saying it. First, slowly. Look back on the day.
Listeners, you can say it with me. Look back on the day.
Great. Now, at a natural speed, look back on the day.
Look back on the day.
Another helpful question you can ask yourself is, what went well today?
What went well today? I like that. It's so positive.
It helps you focus on your successes. Maybe you made a delicious dinner or helped a friend. Those are things that went well.
Right.
Let's practice that one. Slowly, what went well today?
What went well today?
And naturally, what went well today?
What went well today?
Of course, not every day is perfect. So it's also useful to think, what was a challenge today?
A challenge. So, something that was difficult.
Yes, a challenge is a difficulty. For example, my biggest challenge today was understanding the new software. Thinking about challenges helps us learn.
That's true. It's not about feeling bad, it's about learning.
Correct. Let's move to another very important phrase. I'm grateful for.
Gratitude. So, being thankful for something.
Yes, you can be grateful for big things or small things. For example, I'm grateful for my family, or I'm grateful for the sunny weather today.
I like that one. I'm grateful for this cup of tea right now.
Perfect. Let's practice it. I'm grateful for.
I'm grateful for.
And naturally, I'm grateful for
I'm grateful for. Listeners, what are you grateful for today?
a great question. Finally, let's look to the future with the phrase, tomorrow I hope to.
So, this is about setting a small goal or intention for the next day.
Exactly. It's not a big plan, just a simple hope. Tomorrow, I hope to wake up early and go for a walk.
That's a nice, gentle way to prepare for the next day.
It is. It ends your reflection on a positive, forward looking note. Now, let's hear how these phrases sound in real situations. First, imagine I am writing in my journal or just thinking to myself.
Okay, so this is Trevor's inner thoughts.
Okay, let's see. Looking back on the day, it was a mix. The morning was rushed. That was a challenge. But what went well? I finished my report. That feels good. And I had a video call with my sister. That was the best part of my day. I'm grateful for our conversation. It always makes me happy. Tomorrow, I hope to have a calmer morning.
That was a great example, Trevor. You used so many of the phrases we just learned. Looking back on the day, what was a challenge, what went well, and I'm grateful for.
Using them helps organize your thoughts.
It really does.
Now let's do a role play. Alicia, let's pretend we are friends talking at the end of the day.
I'm ready.
So, Alicia, how was your day?
It was pretty good, thanks. A bit busy, but good. How about you?
Mine was all right. I had a bit of a tough meeting this afternoon.
Oh, really? What happened?
It was just a small disagreement. It was a challenge, but we found a solution.
Well, that's good. What was the best part of your day?
The best part was probably my walk after work. The air was fresh and it helped me clear my head.
That sounds lovely. For me, the best part was getting an email with some good news. It was a nice surprise.
That's wonderful. It's great to end the day with something positive.
I agree. It makes me feel grateful.
Me too. Well, I hope you have a good night.
You too, Trevor.
Now it's your turn to practice speaking. I will say a sentence. Listen carefully. Then there will be a pause for you to repeat the sentence out loud.
Don't be shy. Speaking is the best way to improve. Let's try it together.
First sentence. I will say it slowly. Today was a productive day.
Your turn.
Now at a natural speed. Today was a productive day.
Great job.
Next sentence. Slowly. I learned something new.
Try it.
Naturally. I learned something new.
Keep going.
Here's another one. Slowly. I'm proud of what I accomplished.
You can do it.
Naturally. I'm proud of what I accomplished.
Fantastic.
Last one. Let's focus on tomorrow. Slowly. I am looking forward to tomorrow.
Let's hear you.
Naturally. I am looking forward to tomorrow.
Excellent work. It feels good to say these positive things in English, doesn't it?
Really does. Now let's try something else. Paraphrasing. That means saying the same thing in a different way. I'll say a sentence and Alicia will paraphrase it.
This is a great skill for understanding and speaking more flexibly.
Okay? First sentence. I had a hard time with the presentation.
I could say, so the presentation was a challenge for you.
Exactly. Same meaning, different words. Let's try another. My chat with my friend made me happy.
You could rephrase that as, so you enjoyed talking with your friend.
Perfect. This shows you understand the meaning, not just the words.
It's a great way to check your understanding in a conversation, too. You can say, so you mean that, and then paraphrase what they said.
An excellent tip, Alicia. That's a great point, Alicia. And for those who enjoy writing, keeping a reflection journal can be a powerful tool. Journaling is the simple act of writing down your thoughts and feelings. It doesn't have to be a long essay. Just a few sentences each evening can make a big difference.
Wow, that was a lot of great practice. Let's quickly review what we learned today.
For our listeners who are learning English, journaling is especially useful. It helps you practice writing in a personal, low-pressure way. You can experiment with new vocabulary and sentence structures without worrying about making mistakes. It's a safe space to explore the language.
We talked about evening reflections. We learned phrases like look back on the day, what went well, and what was a challenge.
We also practice expressing gratitude with I'm grateful for, and looking ahead with tomorrow I hoped.
That's right. And we practice saying them out loud and even paraphrasing.
This practice is not just about English, it's also about taking a quiet moment for yourself. It can help you feel calmer and more positive.
It's a wonderful habit for your mind and for your English skills.
So tonight, before you sleep, we encourage you to try it. Just choose one or two phrases.
You could think to yourself, what am I grateful for today? Or what went well today?
Every time you use English for something real and personal, your confidence will grow. You did some fantastic learning today.
Yes, you did. Thank you so much for joining us at English Audio Lab. Keep practicing, stay curious, and remember that every small step is progress.
That's right. We look forward to having you with us again for our next lesson. Have a wonderful and peaceful evening.